Hi there, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today we're going to talk about how to find affordable, great quality UGC actors. Let's dive in. Okay, as a business owner who's in lead generation, what I'm seeing, and alongside my community, I'm seeing a lot of people using UGC actors in order to supercharge their advertising campaigns or grow their lead gen brands. Us over here at Flexxable, we have launched a lot of lead gen brands over the last kind of 5 to 7 years. However, we are working on one at the moment, and one of the biggest things we're looking for is some really great UGC actors who are going to be able to help us with our ad campaign, which is obviously very important, but because we're going deep into this market now and we're really looking to grow a valuable brand that we can leverage for a long time and potentially sell in the future, we want to also have actors help us with our YouTube channel, our TikTok channel. We want to be able to email out videos. We want to do a ton of stuff that's going to help us be able to nurture our leads so they know, like, and trust us before we put offers in front of them, okay? I believe this is the future of pay per lead and agencies as a whole. So we're really going deep, and we're super excited about where that's going to lead us, right? But, you know, we've been hiring, and I've seen a lot of my students, people in my community, hire UGC actors for forever, okay? They've been doing it for years and years and years. And the kind of go-to places back in the day were places like Fiverr or Upwork. And we were using these actors 5 years ago, as I say, we were using them for our YouTube videos, for our Facebook videos. And what we saw was that there was a very small group of actors that you could use for commercial rights. What that meant is when lead gens like us started using them, word would spread, and then you'd get another agency using the same actors, and you use the same actors in lots of different verticals, and you'd be scrolling through YouTube and you'd see the same guy just advertising a lot of different verticals for a lot of different agencies, and I'm like, this isn't working anymore, okay? And things have really grown since then. I wanted to talk to you about UGC Actors today because one of my students, he's a guy called James Millard, has started a group called UGC Hub on Facebook, and it's exploded from like a few hundred members to 5K members in a very short amount of time. And this is, I think, the go-to place where you can join the group and then you're able to hire actors off the back of it. So there's probably, if I look at those 5,000 numbers, there's probably only maybe about 100 lead gens in there at the moment, I would say, and the rest are 4,900 really kind of diverse actors from many different countries, many different demographics, age brackets, the whole lot, that are like absolutely dying to do really kind of quality but also affordable work for these agencies, right? And James is very selective about who he lets in, but I promised him I was going to give him a bit of a plug. I'm not being compensated for this in any way, but I know James, I know he's a really good lead gen, and I know I've seen the quality of the ads that he's done and the kind of cost per lead he's getting in a lot of different verticals, and I know it's been working really well for him. The way it works is that I think you request access to the group, and then James charges a small one-off fee to join. And then after that, you can enter the group and liaise with the actors and do your own commercial agreements as you want. So there's no ongoing fees, which is a really great thing, because if you've done stuff on Fiverr or Upwork or whatever, every time you kind of hire an actor, you have to upload the script. And then if it goes over a certain length of time or a certain number of character limits, you pay an extra amount. And then if you want commercial use, you have to put an extra amount on top. And before you know it, it's not a $5, it's $200 for a 30-second video. And that's not the case here with James's group, the UGC Hub. Fantastic, you should check it out. We're actually using it at the minute to be able to find two actors, age 35 plus, females, that are in the UK that are going to help give various money tips advice for our YouTube channel. So we're really looking forward to diving in and using this resource and getting some really great actors that we can use for an extended period of time. You know, that's about it for today. It's it's a bit of a plug for James's group. If you are looking for really good quality, affordable UGC actors, then I would recommend you check it out. If you did like this video and you want me to kind of do more recommendations like this, or places and tools that we use, then please give us a thumbs up so we know to create more videos like this. comments, or you want to be introduced to James or whatever, probably don't have to do that. You can go straight to the UGC Hub. Then please comment below. And finally, subscribe to our channel so you'll be first to know whenever we create new content like this. I'll speak to you soon.